Zhuhai. Gondit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around. Gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai.
Okay, we're somewhere in Zhuhai, Iyoho Plaza. We have this kind of cool references. There's something over there that I don't know what it is yet, and over there's definitely something over there because that's where the ocean is at. So we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. It's like something kind of cool up there too. So let's start here, check it all out. Zhuhai, China, Guangdong. And we're gonna put this up on the map, and we finally got you to the beach. So I've been filming quite a bit. I have filmed the beach once before, but I haven't anytime recently. So you can see it up on the map, and basically what I'm doing in this particular one is another video you saw me on Pineapple Street. I kind of went around the corner, saw this mall, and then I didn't really know it had access all the way down to the beach until I was filming. So so you'll see the beach at the end part, and then we also kind of explore a little bit of a mall part. You saw that in the previews. Anyways, I know more than anything, you just want to see it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Zhuhai, China. So yeah, I don't know what this is fully, but I know we're definitely going to go over there and get that view from over there. But before we do, I just want to see what this is. Looks like there's a pedestrian channel, cableway, so in a park. So I think he could actually, I don't know, there's a lot going on in here. But we're gonna go up here first and just kind of get an idea for what this is. And then we'll get to the other spots later. Huh, looks like you take a cable car somewhere. So it says Jingsha Cableway, and you have lots of people coming from somewhere, and you have some games as well. Iyoho Plaza, like a ring toss here. Looks kind of cool. So kind of games for kids. So I think we're gonna go up there and we're gonna get something to drink here. Maybe some ice lemon tea or something. Let's find a place. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off, take a look around. So yep, Jingshan Cableway. So I guess that is a cable car going somewhere into these mountains, or maybe it goes down. I don't know which way it goes. I don't really see the cable car, but it's somewhere. That's where we were just at a minute ago, and you can see the ocean way over there. You can see the bridge to Hong Kong. We're gonna walk over to that space over there and give you another little slice of Zhuhai. Looks like it might go up there. There's like a little lookout up there. So we just went up from where we had I just had some orange juice down there, and we're gonna go down that way. Check out those apartments. Okay, let's go down and across the street. Okay, so this is kind of the main street we're gonna be crossing. We're gonna go over to that little lookout over there. So we'll see. Looks like we have to go down that way, so let's go down that way. There's the cable car right there. So it looks like it goes up to the top of this mountain and it goes right there. So I think it's mostly for the view. There might be trails up there, I don't know. Yep, right up there. You can see the cable cars. Okay, so we just got across that street. It's a nice, easy street to walk across. Cars actually stop for the pedestrians. Surprised. So we can go up here and check this out. Looks like we got some coffee shops and some views. And some statues. Oh, we got the beaches too. Yeah, there's the beaches. Ah, okay. Huh. Didn't know we were at this location. Okay. So we are gonna go down. I don't know the best way to go down, but yeah, that's the beach down that way. I had no idea. Yeah. You can take some pictures. Let's see. I think we have to go down this way. Actually, I don't know which way to go down. Pretty cool though. Nice views. And now we're over here. So we were up there, and now we're down here. And pretty soon we're going to be over at that beach. I had no idea. Really had no idea. I bet this looks amazing at nighttime. If I was here just a little bit later, it'd be really cool. Here's the same name, Iyoho Plaza. So I guess this whole thing this probably connects it. So when I was on the other side of the street, you could probably go in. We're just gonna walk in real quick. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, it looks like this is a whole thing in here. Let's see what this one is. Huh. Looks really cool. Portuguese show. Portugal right there. Dragonfish taco. Oh man. Is that a Portuguese classic it says? I have no idea. Then it does go downstairs too, so there's more down there. Oh. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff we could see. Let's just go down. I think I need to go outside in this area right here to go down that thing to go to the beach. But we're just gonna see what's down here as well. It's like layers and layers of cool stuff. Maybe we can go out straight ahead. KFC. There's a lot I need to see. Okay, so we're going to be going out that way in a moment. The whole mall. I wonder if it goes down more levels. The Dairy Queen. We're going to go back. We're going to go out here. So let's follow suit. Lots of restaurants open to sit at too. And that's going to be the bridge that we're going to be taking. So that's going to go over to the ocean. Wow. So there it is right there. That's the Portuguese show right there, so you can actually eat outside. So they had those tacos at. Actually, the food looks really good here. 73. Okay. So let's go across. Oh, I like how they organize this. So they organize it so that you go up this way. Oh, it looks like people go everywhere. But some people are going, following this way and going this way. It's really cool. Huh. Didn't even know about this. So yeah, there's the beach right there. That's the little tower thing that we're at. So nice. There's the Iyoho Plaza. So this whole thing is at Plaza. Hello.
Hello.
You want to see it?
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what you said. Oh, you like the camera? It's good. Okay. So that's where we just came from, this whole little space, and then I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna meander down and we'll just kind of capture. I guess we're gonna walk. No, I cannot. Sorry. Oops, sorry. So that's all the tourists are all the way down. We're gonna go all the way down as well. So this kind of follow. So that's kind of all of that whole thing that we were just at, all the way down Iyoho Tower. Then we're gonna follow it down this way. There we go, there's the beach right there. Pretty cool. I didn't realize that would be so. The Starbucks, KFC over there as well. Yeah, and actually one of the things I'm kind of noticing for this pic there's a little tour bus right there. Yeah, one of the things that's interesting is everybody here looks like tourists. They all have on clothes. They're going to the beach, but they all have on their clothes, you know, like everything, right? Pants. They don't really look like they're going to the beach. But I wasn't planning to go to the beach either, so. So we're gonna go all the way down to the water. Yeah, this isn't really a sunbathing beach, is it? But as far as I can tell. But it is cool to see. I'm gonna go all the way down. I think everybody's coming to catch the sunset. So we got all the way down to the water. Mostly kids, families. And I guess we're gonna come to an end. So yeah, this is in front of the Iyoho Tower. And we'll kind of go this way. So that's the little shopping district they were at. And there's the cable car, you can see that now too. Hotels. And on that note, we're gonna end it.